wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hocus pocus, and here we are on Magic Tricks. Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm your magician Noah. And yes, you guessed it, we're doing some magic tricks today. Are you excited? Did you enjoy last time's magics? Yeah, and we're gonna have way more because it's magic hat time. Do you like my hat? Do I look good? Can I disappear? 1, 2, 3, and Noah disappears. You thought I was gone again, didn't you? No, of course not. The show is just about to start. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start with our first magic trick. And I'm going to make it into a yellow ball. Hocus pocus in the dun 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 dun. Ta-da! It's yellow! You want to see it reappear into red? Okay, hold on. Hocus pocus. Ta-da! And it's red again! Did you see that? Do you want to see it again? Ta-da! And I promise you, one last time, I'm going to make it red. There we go! And that's the magic trick of making a ball change its color! Woo! So, here we have the last magic ball trick. Now, I'm going to make sure that I will have this ball disappear. And for that, I'm going to take it out of here. It's empty. I'm going to take the ball that's in my pocket and right into there. Now I'm going to put this back there again. So, I'll take my wand. Oh, you think I did something? No. See? I will take it out again. And there it is. Okay? I'm going to put it in my pocket. It's in there. And now I'm going to magically make it appear right there. Hocus pocus, let this ball right there appear there. And there it is! Woohoo! There is the ball! I did it! Did you see how I did that? No? Do you want to learn how to do it? Okay. So, let me show you. Because in truth, kids, the ball is still right in my pocket. So what happened? Well, let me show you. I'm going to put the ball in there and then place it there. But what you don't know is that there's a ball right there and there's a ball right there. And I hide it just like that. So when I show you the ball, I take this out. You see? And I put this right there. And you think I'm hiding it there and making it magically reappear there. But no, I put this there. And what you didn't see is that it's right there and right there. That is my magic trick. Ta-da! So kids, let me show you my magic hat. See, nothing in there. I'll take my bunny and have him vanish. Okay, I just want to make sure that he's in there, right? Nice and neat. Okay. And abracadabra, hocus pocus, bunny, bunny, vanish away. Where'd he go? He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Bunny. No bunny. Where is he? Oh. Let me do this right. Abracadabra, magic bunny, please come out of your magic hat. Oh, I think I feel him. There he is! He's right here! Woo! There he is, there he is. Abracadabra. And let's try that again. Hocus pocus, magic, magic. Are you still there, bunny, bunny? It's gone again. No, where's our bunny? Where's our bunny? Let me see if I can save him. Hocus pocus, come back. And there he is! He's back again! Woo! Yay! Okay, kids, now do you want to see how we did this? Well, again, do you know our magic hat? Do you know of our secret compartment? Right there? So what we do is we put him right in there. We hide him nice and tightly, and then you see he's hidden? And now he's gone. Hidden? And now he's gone. And then we do our magic again. Hocus pocus. Bunny, bunny, come back. And there he is! Our bunny! Woo! Well, kids, I hope you enjoyed those magic tricks. We cleaned everything up. Luckily, we did a hocus pocus magic trick for that, right? Hocus pocus, everything was gone. Wouldn't you wish you could clean up your room just like that? Yeah, sometimes I wish I could do that. But you know, these magic tricks, they're just tricks, right? It's not real magic. But maybe next time, okay? We will continue practicing, and hopefully one day we're going to be able to create real magic. Whoa, that would be fun. Well, kids, thanks for watching Dream Again, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. See you next time. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
They make you feel special. So hug someone you love to show you care. Wrap your arms around them and hold them close. Elmo loves to hug. Hug you the most. Elmo loves you too.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.